The story is A Lonely Day. My name is Anna. Today I felt very lonely. My friends went to the park, but I stayed home. I wanted to learn English. I had a plan. I woke up early and ate breakfast. I had toast and tea. Then I went to my room. I opened my English book. First, I read a story. It was about a cat and a dog. They were friends. The cat got lost. The dog looked for the cat. Finally, the dog found the cat. They were happy. I liked the story. Next, I practiced writing. I wrote about my day. I wrote, "Today I feel lonely. I miss my friends. But I want to learn English." It was hard, but I tried my best. Then I listened to an English song. It was slow and sweet. The singer had a nice voice. I did not understand all the words, but I enjoyed the music. In the afternoon, I felt tired. I took a break. I made a sandwich. I sat in the garden and ate my sandwich. The sun was warm. The flowers were pretty. I felt a little better. After my break, I did more work. I watched a video in English. It was about animals. I saw lions, tigers, and elephants. The animals were amazing. I learned new words. At the end of the day, I felt proud. I learned many new things. I missed my friends, but I knew I did something good. I knew English was important. I want to speak it well. Even though I was lonely, I had a good day. I will keep learning every day. One day I will speak English very well. That is my dream.